In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to do animated subtitle in DaVinci Resolve, like this one. Now, be aware that animated subtitle in DaVinci Resolve is very new, so there's a little bit of limitation with the animated subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. And without further ado, let's get to it. So I got a video right here, and then I'm gonna select the part that I'm gonna. Okay, let's get this one. Let's get this part. I'm gonna click right here, delete, and zoom in. And let's see. Let's pick a channel. In channel 1 and channel 2. Like my voice is in channel 1 and channel 2, even though it doesn't look that obvious right now. Okay, let's delete this too. And then we're gonna select our video, and then we're gonna go audio, and then we're gonna increase the decibels until we can see the waveform. I think there is good. And then we can also clean up the audio a little bit. We can click on the track and enable voice isolation and dialogue leveler. Okay, that's only for the track 1. We can also remove the second track. Let's see, track 1. Let's isolation amount. Let's go with just 70 should be enough. And then let's play it back and see how it sounds. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do animated subtitle in DaVinci Resolve, like this one. Okay, and we're going to go timeline, AI tools. We're going to create subtitle from audio. Okay. Language, English. Default, maximum characters. Single line, gap between subtitle. We don't need 0 frames. Let's go create. Alright, we got our subtitle right here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do animated subtitle in DaVinci Resolve, like this one. Okay, let's clean up our subtitle. DaVinci Resolve is actually over here. And adjust it a little bit. Let's clean up a little bit. It's DaVinci. Paste it right here, DaVinci Resolve, like this one, right? In DaVinci Resolve, like this one. Alright, so what we're gonna do right now is go to Effect, and then we go to Titles, and then we can find Animated Subtitle right here, and then we got plenty to choose from. Let's try Lollipop. Let's drag and drop at our subtitle track. Let's play it back. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do animated subtitle in DaVinci Resolve, like this one. Alright. Let's try rotate. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do animated subtitle in DaVinci Resolve, like this one. So the limitation of the animated subtitle in DaVinci Resolve is that it only works when you generate subtitles from your audio. That way the animation knows when to start, and sometimes it also doesn't animate the way you want to, and it is very hard to change them. So you can see from here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do animated subtitle in DaVinci Resolve, like this one. So you can see here the animation is not really on point, and that is pretty much the limitation of DaVinci Resolve, because the feature is very new. They are still making improvement to this one. I am currently downloading the new version of DaVinci Resolve, which is 20.0.1. These are the limitations. If you speak perfect English and somehow DaVinci Resolve also perfectly analyze what you say, and somehow you got a perfect animation, well, that's good news for you. So after you got your animated subtitle done, we want to go here to the Deliver tab, click on it, pick a location, Animated subtitle. Okay, after you pick a location, and then you want to come down here, and this is very important, to the subtitle settings. Click on it, and then we want to export subtitle, and then we want to burn into video. If you miss this step, the subtitle is not gonna show in your final video, so make sure you don't skip this step. And then you're gonna add to the render queue, and then you're done. You're ready to export. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing for more DaVinci Resolve tutorial. I will be posting video every week. And if you're interested in other AI features in DaVinci Resolve, make sure you click this video right here where I go through some of the best AI features that I use in every project in my DaVinci Resolve. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys in this video.